Hi friends, I am Aswin. I am here to tell you about linear equation and its 5 methods. So, we are going to see reduction method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method and graphical method. As far as reduction method is concerned, first we will see reduction means reducing. In maths, we are reducing the equation into simplest form. First, see the question. Assume first equation as number 1 and second equation as number 2. Take 5 divided by x minus 1. When we reciprocate this, you will get 5 into 1 divided by x minus 1. And then take 1 divided by y minus 2. When we reciprocate this, we will get 1 into 1 divided by y minus 2. Assume 1 divided by x minus 1 as p and 1 divided by y minus 2 as q. When we substitute these assumed values, then our new equations will be formed. That is 5p plus q is equal to 2 and 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Next, we are going to see an easiest method called elimination. Now let's get into it. Here, same as what we have done in reduction method I have done. First, reduce the equation into simplest form. Then you arrive at new equations. Take the equation. Here we have to eliminate one number. For that, we have to multiply the whole equation with same number. So I have multiplied the first equation with 3. Then I got 15p plus 3q is equal to 2. Then we have to add the newly formed equation with the second equation. Then we have arrived p is equal to 1 divided by 3. By substituting a value of p in any of the equation, you will get the value of q. Next, we are going to see substitution method. In these, take an equation. For example, I had taken first equation. In that, I had taken all values to the right side except q. So you will arrive at new equation that is on the sheet. Then substitute the value of q in another equation. Then you will get the value of p. Then substitute the value of p in the first equation. Then you will get correct value of q. Next, we are going to see cross multiplication method. In this, we have a formula which is x divided by b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 is equal to y divided by c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 is equal to 1 divided by a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Then substitute the values and do the calculation. Then, as I had written in the paper, you have to do the. Then you will get the value of p and q. Last but not least, graphical method. In this, take a equation, keep y alone on the left side and take other values right side. Then draw a tabular column like mine and assume x value as 2 and substitute the value in the equation. You will get the value of y. Likewise do for another equation. Then plot values of x and y of both equations on a graph paper like mine. In the graph, the intersecting point is solution as shown in the sheet. So far, we have seen reduction method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method and graphical method.